Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I thought I'd share my little goodies from Polish Pickup, and this was Polish Pickup for May 2021. Now I only bought three things. I only bought MJ Lacquer's Jackpot. It's a solar polish, and look at that. So I'm going to put that on my nails today, and I'll have information for MJ Lacquer down below. I also bought the Baroness X acetone additive or antidote, and this is strawberry jelly donuts. Yum! So I'll be putting that into a batch of acetone. And then I bought another Fast and Hard, and this is milk chocolate. Now I've gotten like two or three other ones, like I got unicorn farts and something that was like a real citrusy lemon, and I loved them. I'm not as crazy about the milk chocolate, but that's a personal thing. We all like different smells, so that is going into rotation. I wanted to show you the little bag that the MJ Lacquer stuff came in. It came like that. Very nice. And it also came, my order came with the card for Polish and Beauty Expo that's going to be in Nashville July 24th and 25th. And I will definitely be there with my friend Miss Tammy from Mrs. K's Corner. So they've got tickets on sale. So if you're interested in that, you might want to pause this and go check that out. So that is it for that. And we're just going to get into doing my regular manicures. I guess we'll do this hand today. So I've got my nails already cleaned of nail polish and cuticles pushed back and all that good stuff. We're ready to go. So let's get started. Alrighty, so we are going to start with our Nailtiques Formula 2 as our base coat. I know I don't normally show this part, but I figured it wouldn't hurt to show it occasionally. So we got our Nailtiques Formula 2. I am going to cap my free edge here and let that dry down. I have to get Woody out here because I did make a little bit of a mess. Not too bad. And here's MJ Lacquer's Jackpot. It's a solar polish. And that was from May's Polish Pickup 2021. And solar polishes are different than like temperature polishes, thermals that change because of temperature. Solars need like sunlight to change. And let me tell you, this one is super quick with its change. So we're going to go in with a second coat of Jackpot. I love the flakies. And this yellowy green. It's more yellow, I guess, but it does have a little tinge of the green. We're going to top this with the INM out the door top coat. We're going to let it dry down a little bit before we play. And there is a swatch photo of it on its own. Do you see the shimmer? Oh, I'll be using Maniology, and this is M183. I've cleaned it off with some acetone, and I'm telling y'all, that plate's really etched. I'm gonna be using this plant image down here to start with. I'll be using Maniology Crisp, as well as my Monocle stamper from Maniology and my Beauty scraper. And we're just going to jump right on in. So I just decided I was going to do accent nails today. My thumb, my middle finger, and my ring fingernail. And I thought this was going to be it. You know, just do this stamping and that be it. But you guys know I like to overwork things. So there will be more. So there we go. We'll roll that on. Just some leafery, some greenery. And I'm cleaning my stamper off on a lint roller, and the plate is getting cleaned with pure acetone. Y'all, this stuff is eating the cotton. So I'm taking an old brush, and I'm just kind of scrubbing it out. If you ever have a plate that's etched as well as this one, you might need to do that. It's really deeply etched. So we're going to get that up and pull that extra up with a piece of tape, and then we're going to plop that image onto another nail, the middle nail, and there we go. And I know it just kind of looks like paint splatters from this camera angle, but it's leafery, greenery, and that's why I end up going with more stamping here in a minute. So here we go. We're gonna get this last one done here. Alrighty, so there we go. I'll be using Maniology, and this is Evil Eye. It's like a red metallic. Love it. So I've gone with this other little image. It's more of a flowery looking bit. I guess it's more leafery too, but I'm doing it in this metallic red. And I'm just going to layer that over top of the green, just to give it a little bit of something different. Now, I'm not going to claim that this is like my favorite manicure or my favorite design, but I ended up liking it. I wore it for a while. You know, sometimes that's how it works out. And you're not going to be in love with every single manicure you ever do. I can guarantee it. I didn't hate this one, though. You guys know when I'm not happy with something, I totally let y'all know. But this one was just okay. It was alright. I do love the solar polish, though. The base polish is rocking. I'm going to top this with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Just real quick, brush over that. Once that's totally dry, I'll be coating it all with some Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. We're going to seal this manicure in and call it to done. To finished. And there we go. Going to cut that free edge. And that is it. So I've got several swatch photos. This is the in the house stage, kind of in between. And then what it would look like out in the sun. It's a little blurry, but it was real quick changing. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.